Right, so we're now off out. This is the little setup. Hopefully he likes. Last night I actually did end up dyeing my hair peach. A bit random. Banksy has done like a little piece in Nottingham, which is really close to us. So we came to Nando's. Wow. I don't know why I'm picking up Christmas pajamas this time of year, but hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little university weekly vlog. I haven't done a uni vlog literally since last year, so I thought let's bring them back, let's do another weekly vlog. So I'm thinking I'm going to do these university vlogs every single Thursday. That might not happen, so I'm not going to like confirm that, but if you do enjoy weekly vlogs, definitely do let me know so I know to do more. I absolutely love watching uni weekly vlogs. I feel like that's all I watch constantly at uni, so I thought let's just hop on and do my hair. If you're new here, I would absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe if you don't want to miss all the other weekly vlogs, all the fashion content. I do a lot of hauls on this channel. I'm just a bit of addicted to shopping. The addiction kind of started in lockdown, it just never went away, so here we are. So tonight what I'm doing, I was starting it in the evening and I'll start the vlog properly tomorrow. So I actually currently ran out of foundation. So currently I'm using this, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. So I'm literally just using this on my face most days. And it's literally just like a glowy, bronzy product. And usually I mix it with foundation, so I'll probably mix it with a little bit of my foundation I've got left. But I might pick up another foundation in town because I've literally run out. My usual foundation is the L'Oreal True Match. So I'm going to try and get what I can out of this and just put a little bit of this on as well. And that's kind of been my current sort of base makeup, and then I use the Collection concealer, just a little bit of a classic. I've actually left my foundation brush at home, which is also brilliant. So I've just been using this powder brush just to buff it in, but it's actually been giving me like a really nice finish. So I've actually been quite liking doing it like this, kind of like a really light foundation look. So that's what I've been going with sort of for the days when I actually go out and do anything. Obviously if I'm sat in my bed and I have no like face-to-face calls, there's no makeup going on most days. So I thought, while I'm actually putting some on, let's document it. We're going to this place called Picture and Piano, which I will obviously show you when we get there, and it's honestly one of the most beautiful restaurants in Nottingham. Like, it's in like an old church and I just absolutely love it there. I've only been there like once for mine and my boyfriend's anniversary last year, but they have like a lunch menu and you can get like little sandwiches and stuff, like £7. It's not even expensive, so we thought we may as well do that. I like to keep everything kind of quite glowy, so I used the Chanel Tandy Soleil, I think it's called. It's just like a really nice kind of cream bronzer, so I've just been using that as well, and it's just been giving me like a really nice bronzy glowy look. And then I used the Charlotte Tilbury blusher in the shade Pillow Talk, which is such a lovely blusher, and that's basically all I've been doing. I think I got this for my birthday. If anybody watched the birthday vlog, you would have seen me be so happy with all my new Charlotte Tilbury products because I just love them. And I feel like they've also changed my makeup game. Like, since I've been using this blusher, I just so much, sorry, cheeky, I just so much prefer how my skin looks. So yeah, I will probably update you in a minute once I've got my outfit on, give you a little outfit of the day, and then we will go out for some lunch. So if we just try to ignore the mess in the background, this is the current outfit. So I've got this little long sleeve brown top on from Zara. There's a Zara haul coming very soon, so you'll see that in that. This coat is from Boohoo, also will be in a haul probably very soon. It's like a long little coat. And then I've just got some cream jeans on from Zara, and then these little boots which are from Clark's actually. Now, such a pretty entrance. Just a little scan around, it's so pretty in here. Literally the only people in here though, but you know, we don't mind it. We've got drinks as well. We've both got, this will not focus, raspberry and apple mojitos. So food has came. I've gone for a club sandwich and has gone for a chicken tikka wrap. Looks so nice. Wow. Brownie for dessert. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Wow. Okay, so now back from the restaurant. I've been back for a little bit because I had to literally rush straight onto some uni calls when I got back. I had a call 2 till 4, I had a call at 4, and now I'm done with everything for uni for the day, and now I'm going to edit my YouTube video. So this is the vibe of the Primark haul. This is going to be probably the thumbnail, something similar along these lines, but it's basically just a haul of all the new cozy autumnal clothes they've got in. So yeah, that is going to be the haul. So yeah, I'm just going to edit this now. Probably take me a couple of hours. So I've just had a shower, but in the morning when I'm feeling really tired, I usually use these, and these were really kind of gifted to me in a little skincare bundle by Good Molecules. But honestly, I can't recommend these enough. Like, they literally wake me up so much. I'm going to show you what they look like, because they're really like, it's a really strange consistency, but I love it. It's literally like pure gel, but then it has the little eye patches in there. So I'll put a couple of these on just now because they honestly wake me up so much. They look a bit crazy, but this is what they look like. You can't really see them, they're kind of just like clear patches, which is what I love as well. So yeah, I'll just keep these bits on for probably about half an hour while I go eat breakfast. And that's kind of the little morning ritual. Like, I literally love these so much, would definitely recommend. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to embrace the whole towel look. I just think, you know what, would I judge anyone else for vlogging with a towel on their head? No, so let's hope that that's okay with. And I was also just making a little mocha, which is just the TikTok iced coffee recipe mixed with the chocolate oat milk from Oatly, and honestly, tastes so good. I have these like mini ice cubes that are kind of like, I like different colours, if you can see, and I always have them in my drinks and never explain like what's going on with them, and I feel like it just looks so weird. There's like green things in my drink, but they are ice cubes. But those mini ice cubes that you like can keep reusing from Primark, I'm a big fan of them. So I'm literally going to turn my phone off for a little bit and do some lectures, and I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Social skills. These are the key social emotional skills.
It's now 1 o'clock and I finished the one lecture I was doing this morning. Lectures literally take me forever. I don't know about anybody else, but it never takes me the hour or the 2 hours. It takes me like double the time, because I always have to pause it, make some notes. Like, I like to get everything down, so it takes me forever, which isn't ideal, but I finished that one. I'm now doing like the little Q&A session that goes with that. So it's like after you have a lecture, at the minute we're having like Q&As where you can ask questions and discuss different stuff. So I'm just listening to that one now. But the plan this evening is we're going to go out for drinks, which will be so cute. We're going to a new place called Gin Secco. Right, so we're now off out. It's actually just been a bit of a quick transformation because I didn't actually have time to like vlog the whole getting ready process. But I'm actually just currently trying to drink. We're going to Gin Secco, like I mentioned earlier. I'll give you a really quick outfit of the day. So the top is from Boohoo. It's like a little slinky kind of bodysuit, kind of like a dupe of the Zara ones. Necklace is Primark. This jacket is also Boohoo. I've got leather joggers on from New Look actually. And then these shoes are also Boohoo, and I've got a little Boohoo anklet on, so yeah. So it's now the next day and we're just heading into town, and we're actually going to go have a look at the little Banksy thing. So if anybody's seen, Banksy has done like a little piece in Nottingham which is really close to us. We're going to go and have a look at it. I'll show you when we get there. We're not sure whether there's going to be like loads of people there or whether there's not, but it's now Saturday, so we're going to go have a look in town. We're going to have a little browse around. I need to go to Primark and take back my pyjamas actually. I was about to forget those. So I got them when they were already see-through, so I need to swap and get a couple more different pairs, you know. So we just went to have a look at it. Sorry, it's alright. At the Banksy thing. We were trying to get a pic and actually get a photo outside it just because there were so many people around. It was a bit of a social distancing issue actually. There was quite a lot of crowds, but I did manage to get a picture which I'll insert on screen now because I felt like my little vlog thing wasn't the best because it was just absolutely crowded. So hopefully I can get a pic there in the next few days when it's a bit quieter. But there seem to be people from like everywhere just like parking up and going to see it. So it wasn't really the best, but considering it's near us, we can just get one whenever. So yeah. So we came to Nando's, got a little lemon herb wrap mash mayo. Oh my god, so excited. Wow. We've just got back from town. It was actually so much fun. Like, we've got back, it's now like 4-ish, is it 5? Is it 4 or 5? Let me have a look. It's now actually 5:30. I've actually just been chilling for like half an hour. I feel like anytime I go anywhere I'm like, oh god, give me a rest when I get back. So I'm slightly, not hungover, but you know when you've been drinking the night before and you're just like a bit like, your head just feels a bit like, ooh. That's kind of how I'm feeling today. I'll show you a few of the things I picked up in Primark because I did get some things. Our house, when I tell you our house is cold, it's freezing. So I picked up 3 pairs of pyjamas. I know, so excessive. I don't know why I bought 3, but I couldn't choose and I thought, get all 3. And also I've only got like shorts and pyjamas like that, so I thought, you know what, I can't be sleeping in shorts here, like it's actually freezing. So I picked up 3 pairs. The first one I got is this like nude colour one, and I actually was going to pick this up my last Primark haul. Then I decided against it. Then I saw it in Molly May's vlog and then I was like, you know what, I actually do need those. And they're literally so soft. They're just like they're kind of like an oatmeal colour. They're so nice. And they're like long bottom, they're like tight bits round. They didn't have a small in these, they only had a medium. So I picked up medium. I feel like anything in Molly May's videos just like sells straight out. But I managed to find these in a medium. And I thought, you know what, they're a bit big. They're a bit big, but it's not a big deal. Those were £12. But then I picked up this pair, which I got in a size small. These are honestly my go-to pyjamas in winter. I've got these in baby pink, but I've left them at home, and they have them this year in like kind of like a light blue, so I thought, you know what, I'll get those. These were £8 in a size small, and they're just like the really fluffy joggers and a really fluffy top. Like, they're just so good, and for £7 I thought, can't really go wrong. And then the last pair, I picked up a Christmas pair, but they're just like wide leg bottoms. I don't know why I'm picking up Christmas pyjamas this time of year, but then the top is just like a grey long sleeve top. I got those again in a size small. So they're the 3 little pairs of pyjamas I picked up. And you know what I really want to do? Does anybody watch Zoella's like fake Christmas day? So basically her and Mark, they had like a Christmas day, they like set it all up with Christmassy decorations. They watched Christmas movies, they had Christmas food, where they wore Christmas pyjamas. I want to do that. Like, I literally watched that vlog when I was on holiday in Turkey, and I thought, as soon as I'm back, I'm having a fake Christmas. So I'm gonna wear these pyjamas, have a little fake Christmas. I've got a Christmas spray from the White Company, and that is the plan. So that's what I'm gonna do with those. But the last thing I got was from Birch, and I just got some multivitamins just because I just feel like a bit run down, and I constantly feel run down at uni. Like, I've been at home for so long, like just chilling basically the whole summer. Now I came back to uni and I'm like, wow, like this is intense, and I just feel a bit run down, so I thought I'd get these. These were £6, pricey I know, but they have 180 tablets in there, so I was like, I'll just get those as well. I picked up everything today because I thought I've already spent a lot, let's just keep going. Okay, so last night I actually did end up dyeing my hair peach, a bit random, but I used the, I'll put the name of it on screen, it's called Umberto Giannini, I think, hair dye in rose peach, and it's actually really nice. They've just launched and they look like this and they're super cute. So yeah, I used that last night. We are now going out for a meal. We're gonna go to Tel Bay. Just a little last minute plan because we thought we just wanted cheering out, wanted to go out for nice food, and I really could not be bothered to cook, so that's the plan. We are gonna go out. I'll give you a little outfit of the day quickly. Just ignore the absolute mess in the background. But I've got this little top on from, well, I don't even know, it's not even mine, AliExpress, I'm guessing. Then this little bag is from Zaful. The little white top underneath is from New Look, I think, actually. And then these jeans are from Topshop. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually vlogging my room in this much of a mess. We're in a bit of a rush to leave, so I'll take you with me. Tel Bay is one of my favourite restaurants for food, and my boyfriend really doesn't like it, but he's actually in quarantine right now, so we can't really do much about it. So yeah, we're on our way. So it's now the next day and I've literally got no makeup on. I've got Christmas pyjamas on, but I thought I'd just like catch you up on the vlog because I felt like last night I said we're going to Tel Bay and I forgot to vlog our food. So we did actually get burgers and it was literally so nice. And yes, that was a really cute little evening. But today is actually my boyfriend's birthday, which is really sad because he's actually in isolation because some of his housemates have coronavirus, which isn't ideal for his 21st birthday. But I'm going to make it really special. I'm going to go to his drive. I'm going to put some stuff there. I'll show you the presents I've got him now because this vlog won't be going up until after I've given him the presents, so I'll be able to show you quickly now. So the first thing I got him is this like huge donut. It's a little donut. Well, it's not really a little donut, it's literally like this big. I'll put a picture of the donut on screen just because I don't want to open it again because it has been like sealed up. But I thought that'd be cute because he prefers donuts to cakes, and I thought him and his housemates could just share that tonight. Something actually to do, so that's kind of the little extra that I got. And then this is his main present, which is the new like khaki green Armani backpack, which I really hope he likes. I'll put a picture of that on screen again because again this is sealed up and it's all like, I had it gift wrapped, so it's all like wrapped up inside. Oh my god, I just ripped that. Great. But yeah, these are all like sealed up. This is the little setup. Hopefully he likes it. I really hope he does. Hopefully it cheers him up in quarantine a bit. So I think I'm going to end this little university vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said at the start, I am thinking of doing these more of like a weekly thing or like an every other week kind of thing. So definitely let me know down in the comments if you did enjoy it, and I can definitely do more. So if you did enjoy it, I would absolutely love if you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe. That would mean so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!